Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 17. The chapter which we are related with is bank reconciliation statement. As you can see that our requirement is to make and prepare bank reconciliation statement. First step first, three headings at the start of the question. First line is fixed for bank reconciliation statement. Second is to put the date and we have March 22. So last question was for December. Let's change the date. It's March. And then we have to put the name, and we don't have the name but only a trader has two bank accounts, 1 and 2, following particular relating to account number 1. So here we should mention ABC and company, as name is not been given, but it is account number 1. So here we can recognize for what company and organization and what account we are dealing with. So let's start the question. First option or first point is passbook overdrawn. As you know that passbook balance is credit, but it is overdrawn, so we will write it on debit side. Here passbook overdrawn, and it should be written on debit side. And how much amount is 60,000? Just put it out, 60,000. Alright guys, so we have first entry completed. Now checks drawn. Drawn mean issued, and under issued we search for unpresented checks. Now you can see that same word has been used but not presented. So not presented would be written on debit side, and here just put unpresented or not presented, one of the same thing. Here we have the amount 16,000. And the next thing is interest debited by the bank. As you know, whatever bank will do, just opposite would be written over here, debited by bank. So we will write it as credit, and this amount is 1600, post 1600, and here we have interest debited. Let's mention by bank as well, 1600. And next is transfer from account number 2 to account number 1. And which account we are dealing? Account number 1. It means amount has been deposited in account number 1, or amount of account number 1 has been increased. So increase in bank account should be written on debit side. Amount is 12,000. Just put 12,000 in amount column and write down it is transfer from account 1, from account 2 to account 1. You may write just deposited amount in account number 1. Alright guys, next number 5, bank charges. And we know that under expenses and charges we will credit the bank account. Here just put bank charges, and the amount is just 40. So guys, in this way all entries have been completed. Now let's take the next step, sum of all the amounts present on debit side, and then we have sum of all the amounts present on credit side. Both amounts have been written. It's time to calculate the balance, and here we will calculate its balance by subtracting smaller amount from the larger amount. And larger amount 88,000, subtract smaller amount which is 1640, So we have got the balance 86360, and here we have 86360. So balance has been arrived. It's time to set the sign. Larger amount sign would be posted. Larger amount is 88,000, and here the larger sum sign has also been noted down. Now next step is to write down your answer. You have started your question with passbook, and now opposite to this you will write cash book, and then we have opposite to this sign debit was chosen, but now it would be credit, and same answer would be written over here. In this way our question is absolutely completed, but again last step, here you will write add and then less. So guys, question is completed, solution is in front of you, answer has been matched, but still I am requesting you, I am requesting you to please complete and revise and practice this question for more than once. If you feel any difficulty in writing any amount, any element of this question is questionable, then you can open or you can put your queries, your questions, and share your questions through messages, text or comments. I will surely be available to answer these questions instantly. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.